Hello everybody, coming to you from my Central America on my little vacation. This is Rob from The Breakdown Show, YouTube channel that has been, let's see, we went with, what was the other name of the shows? It's gone through 2 changes so far, and I thought I'd bring everybody up to speed on currently where the channel is going to be heading towards. God, I can't remember the other 2 names. The last one was the Ecom Insider, and then it was changed to The Breakdown, what it is now. I don't recall what the first part of the first show was, the channel was named. But for all you loyal listeners or subscribers that have been with me over the years, you know, thank you for being with me and hanging on. I know I don't post that very many videos. Sometimes I get rambunctious and post a few, and then sometimes I take months and then probably longer before I post any more, due to the fact that, you know, I have a busy schedule. You know, I'm trying to do, you know, side hustles and working an 9 to 5 job or 8 to 5. But I wanted to give you guys kind of the breakdown, the breakdown of the new show, YouTube channel. Basically, I've been an entrepreneur from as long as I can remember. From right when I was a kid, probably 10 years old, selling eggs out of my own chickens, to starting, you know, businesses where I do consultant work like what I'm currently in right now. Most of my clients are businesses, so I do a lot of consultant work, financial consultant work on how to run their business, how to make their business perform well, and how to do things in certain ways to alleviate a lot of financial problems. You know, I've been selling on eBay, I did Amazon, I've done KDP, I've created, you know, books on that I've had on Amazon, but recently I pulled all my books from Amazon. Wasn't seem to be getting the money that I needed from them anymore compared to the amount of work that I was putting into them. I have tried a few other book publishing places right now. That's, you know, Ingram Sparks. I think there's a few other ones that I may be considering, but all in all, I think the book market for me is done. I don't think I'm going to be doing it anymore. I just don't feel that it's, you know, worth my time and my money and my investment. Still selling on eBay. I'm a power seller on eBay. I've been selling on eBay since I think 1 year after eBay started. So I've been on there for quite some time. I've sold. I do drop shipping right now. Not really focused on drop shipping. I don't really like the consistent trying to find stuff to sell. So I may be phasing that out as well. I do print on demand, which has been very successful for me. Selling artwork that I've created using various AIs and stuff like that. I think with the focus of the channel, and the reason why I'm telling you guys this now, is that you and like me, I watch hundreds of YouTube videos on all these individuals on how to make money on side hustles and how to do this and how to do that, which is, you know, sometimes they have legitimate ideas. What this channel is I'm going to do is I'm going to take those YouTube channels, those shows that they're saying, you know, make $1,000 in a week selling this product, make, you know, $5,000 a month selling this product. I'm going to basically take the videos, I'm going to break them down. I'm going to give my honest opinion on them, and again, it's my opinion. You guys, I do recommend, if you do, you know, follow the channel, that you do your due diligence and research to make sure it is a viable idea for your business or your step that you want to go down. Like I said, I've been doing financial consultant for over 30 some odd years now, so I'm pretty confident when I tell you that, you know, my numbers and figures about how things are going to be and where the money is and what you can anticipate during this time is going to be legit. But again, I do recommend, it is my opinion, you know, that's the disclaimer in there, that is my opinion, to do your due diligence and look into it thoroughly. I am on vacation for another week. Then I got to get back, to the United States and deal with all the stuff that I dealt with when I was gone. So I would anticipate to start seeing some videos within probably the next 2 to 3 weeks. Again, for all you people that have subscribed and stayed with me all this time, I do appreciate you, and I'm grateful for everything you've done. And look forward to the new show, the new channel. Hopefully it'll be a lot more successful than the current ones have been. Of course, again, it all responds to how much you put into it. So if you don't put anything into it, like currently what I have been doing, then it is what it is. So look at all the people looking at me from the street like I'm some kind of weirdo on a phone. They've never seen phones before, which is crap. They all have phones around here in Central America, which is right now nice and humid and hot, but it's a place I do love. My wife is from here, so I have family here, and eventually one day this is where I'm going to retire to and get out of the United States. But anyway, that's for another channel, another time down the road. But again, so the breakdown show is going to be basically I review, give my honest opinion of all these other side hustle opportunities, and for my subscribers and followers, for you to make a decision, if you want to go down that road or not. All right. Well, I do thank you, and this is Rob from the new renamed The Breakdown Show, or the Breakdown. Signing off. Talk to you guys in a couple weeks, I hope.